Karachi sinks city on emergency alert after torrential rains. Karachi has been brought to a standstill after torrential rains submerged major roads, underpasses, and neighborhoods. The city remains paralyzed as floodwater blocks traffic, power outages spread across several areas, and communication networks face disruption. The Sindh government has declared an emergency and public holiday, while all public and private schools remain closed. Flight operations at Jinnah International Airport have also been severely affected, with multiple cancellations and delays. The NDMA has issued a countrywide alert, urging citizens to avoid unnecessary travel and stay indoors as relief operations continue. Meanwhile, in KPK, cloudbursts and flash floods have added to the crisis, keeping rescue teams on high alert. For more updates, stay connected with IAI News.